Hey folks, this is Jeff at Salem Harley-Davidson again, coming to you to show you the parts that we chose for our project bike, the 2020 FXBB or Street Bob. Start out with, here's our awesome Arlen Ness Stage 1 air cleaner with the very cool carbon fiber air cleaner cover here. From there, we're going to go down to the exhaust. This is our Bassani Ripper. It's a 2-in-1 performance exhaust. It's got a great sound. I'm going to bet that it's going to produce a lot of great power. From there, we're going to go to just basic riding stuff. We installed the flush mount gas cap. You can see here, nice and aerodynamic. No wind restrictions. We like that. Keep you in the saddle with all this performance. We added the Lepera Kickflip. Nice, comfortable. We added the old school cool look to it, baby. Right here. Keep you right in the saddle. Up front, the bike came stock with an LED headlight. We said we need LED turn signals. So we put the LED from Custom Dynamic inserts in. As you can see, it runs as a running light when you're not turning. You turn your turn signal on. There you go. You got amber up front. Back in the back, we've got the red LED inserts, also from Custom Dynamics. At nighttime, these run really bright. You tap your brakes and they come on even brighter. So I hope you enjoyed what we've done with this bike. I think it's awesome. I can't wait to see the first person take this out on a test ride. Better yet, can't wait to see that person take it home. Enjoy.